Hi viewers, Samannath, small steps traded trainer. So today currency report we will see. So first we start with the spot currency spot rate, that is RBI reference rate. So according to the RBI reference rate, USD is at 82 rupees 83 paise, GBP 105 rupees 44 paise, Euro 91 rupees 6 paise, and Yen 57 rupees 52 paise. So currency feature, all this we will see in detail at chart analysis. So first we will see USD-INR. USD-INR started with a gap down of 4 paise. Then after that immediately it came close to the gap covering. From then on it was entirely in the sideways. If you see the price, totally it traveled on the channel and in and on the channel and in and around the VWAP. So only at 3:30 it started falling down. So from there, if you see 14 around the 14 point paise, it has came down. So for the intraday traders, if the entry point would be this is the one, because this is the only place where the price came away from channel and EMA channel and VWAP. So if anybody took a short position at 82 to 84, at the end only they get the exit. So prior to that, there is no exit signal. So it's at the market closing time. So if they close the position at market closing time, they would get 14 paise per lot. That is 140 rupees per lot. It's a decent profit we can see. The USD INR margin would be around 1500 somewhere. So compared to that, it is around 9% of return. So it's very decent return. The whole day the volatility is 21 paise. So it exactly closed with 21 paise. So whatever the exact volatility, it closed, we can see. If you see the personal traders, the 1 hour chart. See, earlier I said it's 80 to 80 is the immediate support in ASN. So today it broke. So whoever had the long position would have exited at 80 to 80. So those would have entered might be around 80 to 30. So entered 80 to 30 and exited 80 to 80 is 50 paise. Is very decent rate. So if we compare to the margin, it is around 33% of return. So now this is the time to exit. Now there are a lot of chances it come down. So the reason I suspect it come down is I will tell you while explaining the US dollar index chart at the last. Now we will see JPY. It at the opening it opened at minus 16 paise. Again further it came down around 5 paise around the, then it kept on in the sideways only. So the price all hang over around the VWAP and also the EMA channel. So totally there is no entry until 3 o'clock. So similarly like USD, it got an entry, the short entry at 57.75. And if you see at one point of time it came to 57.67, then it started turning upside. So it's like engulfing, we can say. So this is the place to exit. So if anybody take entry here and exited at here, they would have get 7 paise per lot, that is 70 rupees per lot. It's really a good decent return, we can say. So for personal traders, the 1 hour chart. Uh, this is the channel I till yesterday I keep on told. So today it has broke. So those who have long position would have exited today. Those who are in the short position can hold this one. So that's what even indicator also showing the same thing. The plus DMA is coming down and ADC is trying to crossing that. If tomorrow the plus DMA is coming down, it crossed it, then the fall would be some more days. So that's how the indicator also see. Let me see how it happens. Tomorrow is the weekend, so we will get some confirmation for the next week price movement. Euro INR. So Euro INR almost opened at flat, we can say. So immediately there is no entry point around 11 o'clock, you can see there is a entry because the price moved quite away from the VWAP and also from the EMA channel. So if anybody could take the entry after 91.10 long position, it gone up to 91.40, you can say. So from the down it is 40 paise in the upper side movement. So we need a signal to exit. So exactly we cannot capture the end to end. So those who have waited may exited at around the 91.35 because the price keep inside the channel. So this is the time to exit. The better according to the indicator, if you see the ADX is turned down here. So this is also a sign to exit here. So this also if you see exactly at the same place. So what? So those who take the position at 91.10 and exit at 95 at 91.35 would get 25 paise per lot. That is 250 rupees per lot. Still a very good return. Those who had a positions for 1 hour short, we will see that. So it is still traveling in the channel. You can see. So the indicator also showing the same thing. The minus DMI is below 20 and the ADX is above 20 and plus DMI is above 25. So those who are having the long position can hold until the channel broke in the support side. So those who have the long position can keep this step. Um, there is no immediate fear to exit. Next we will see the GBP So it opened a gap down of full PC. From then it moved travel to upper side. So this pattern also something similar to euro INR. So from the down it gone at a stage it's run close to 105.78, which is around 45 paise in the upper side movement from the low. So those the entry point that came around 105 45 paise here around 11:30 we can say, because the price is well away from the VWAP and also it came above the EMA channel. So those would have taken a risky entry would have taken here, take a stop loss of VWAP. So the comfortable entry is here 105.45. So the exit similar to euro, the exit came at here because the price again moved within the channel. But according to the ADX and the DMI, this would be the exit point. The second exit point is here. So almost both are the same. So those who take the entry here will get around 25 pieces similar to euro, which is 250 rupees per lot. So from the peak again, it came down 25 pieces in the downside. At the end, it closed at 105 rupees 57. The 1 hour chart for positional trading, it is within the channel. The price movement is still within the channel. So still don't take positional traders don't take any additional position whether it is long or short because the price is within the channel. The indicator also showing the same thing. Both the plus and DME is very frequently hugging each other. It has to separate in an opposite direction. So until then, don't take any fresh entry in GPP. So once it is separated and the ADS start turning in the opposite, that directional movement would be quite huge. Let me see. US dollar index. So I told while talking about USD INR, I'll tell the reason because the reason is this is the one the data CPI data. So it came to our Indian time around 6 o'clock, but well in advance the big guys are predicted. That is the reason that around the 3 o'clock it was massive fall. You see this candle, how was that one? So now the 4 hours start showing that the candle is away from the EMA channel. So it is the sign of a downturn. The same thing confirming by ADX also. It started the minus DMA crossed over the plus DMA. The plus DMA moving inside the 20 line. So this indicates that uh, downtrend. So if again tomorrow if comes down, the AD starts down on the opposite, so the downtrend will be quite little huge, we can say. So if you see the weekly chart, so if there is no sign of touching the resistance, channel resistance, so the probability is now coming in the downside. Tomorrow we'll get a confirmation for the next week movement. So this is all about currency. This video is for learning purpose, so don't take any trading or investment decision based on this. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision with the guidance of your SEBI registered advisor. Today's money or currency code is this. Okay, guys, so we'll stop this video. We'll see you in next video. Until then, bye. Thank you. See you in next video.